Hey, let me tell you something exciting. Until recently, the best shot for a first time independent director was either getting onto the board of an SME IPO bound company or hoping to step in when an existing independent director retired from a listed company. Not easy. But SEBI and RBI just dropped two silent gifts that are about to flood the market with brand new opportunities for independent directors. Now, gift number one comes from SEBI. In 2024, SEBI allowed fractional investment in prime properties worth over 25 crore rupees through micro, small, and medium real estate investment trusts or REITs. Now imagine owning just a fraction of a 30 or 50 crore property in Bangalore, Delhi, or South Mumbai and being able to trade it right on the BSE or NSE. Now, here is why that is huge for you. India's middle class is expanding. Incomes are rising, and surveys show 59% of investors prefer real estate over volatile assets like equities. Now, that is from the Housing.com Naredco Survey 2023. It makes sense. Real estate has always been a symbol of stability and wealth in India. But the only problem is it is insanely expensive, hard to liquidate, and usually requires loans or EMIs. But fractional REITs flip that on its head. You can now invest with as little as 10 lakh rupees and sell whenever you want. No loans, no long lock ins. This opens the door for thousands of middle class investors, and that means a massive wave of new REITs launching in India. The real estate sector is on track to hit $1 trillion annually by 2030, contributing 15% of GDP. With 40% of India's population living in urban areas, this growth is going to be explosive. So, how does this affect you as a professional? SEBI mandates that at least 50% of REIT board members must be independent directors. Now, think about that. If we have even 10,000 micro and small REITs or just 300 new REITs launching every year, every single one of them will need independent directors, and that's a tsunami of opportunities. And just when you thought it could not get better, RBI joined the party. Gift number two. RBI now requires fintech companies registered as NBFCs to have at least one-third independent directors on their boards. Now, NBFCs already had to appoint at least two independent directors since the Companies Act amendment in 2013. But this new rule puts fintechs in the spotlight. Why fintechs? Because India's fintech scene is booming. We already have around 10,000 fintech companies. The sector is worth $50 to $60 billion today, but is expected to grow 8 times. India has 17 fintech unicorns right now, but by 2030, we are looking at 150 unicorns worth a combined $500 billion. The drivers: massive credit demand, underserved market, NBFCs catering where banks cannot, and fintechs leveraging tech to make credit faster and easier. In the last 3 years alone, hundreds of fintechs have either applied for NBFC licenses, partnered with NBFCs, or acquired them. And with the AI revolution, this trend is only accelerating. In the next 5 years, India could easily see 30,000 fintechs. Many will become NBFCs because the entry requirement, that is 10 crore rupees in paid up capital, is not that high compared to the funding they can raise. As NBFC registrations double, so will the demand for independent directors. And this is not just theory. Big names are already moving. FT Cash, Cred, FI, these fintech players have all secured NBFC licenses in the past 2 years, and many more are on the way. Every one of these fintech NBFC hybrids will need one-third independent directors on their boards. So between SEBI's REITs and RBI's fintech push, we are looking at tens of thousands of new independent director opportunities in the next decade. Now, here is the question for you. Do you want to be ready for this wave? Do you want to know how to network with REIT players, fintech founders, and merchant bankers so that you can position yourself as a strong candidate? We are covering all of this in our free live 3-day online bootcamp. It's going to be online, interactive, but there'll be no recordings, so you need to show up live. Mark your calendar, set your alarms, and I'll see you there. The registration link is in the description box. Register now.